So here's how to add your WordPress domain to Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official Clickfunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. And here, you can see some world-class entrepreneurs who use Clickfunnels. And we have Damon John, Ty Lopez, and Eileen Wilder. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see why you should be using Clickfunnels. Here, you can see what you will get with and without a funnel. And you can see using a funnel is far more advantageous. Now, if you scroll down even further, you will see how Clickfunnels funnels customers to you. Now, if you move on, you can see that Clickfunnels will get you your website. Clickfunnels is your online store, your membership site, your CRM, your email marketing, and your analytics. And down here, you can see all the services and tools you will be getting just from using Clickfunnels. And as you can see, they have tons of uses. So scrolling down even further, you will get to see some testimonials from successful entrepreneurs using Clickfunnels. So now that you know about all the advantages of using Clickfunnels, let's scroll up to the top. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members, and all other features for both the plans are the same. Now, if you click on the monthly plans, you will get to see the different monthly pricings for each package. So from here, just select the package that you want and click on Start Free Trial to get started with Clickfunnels. So once you get your Clickfunnels membership, click on Login on the top and select Clickfunnels 2.0. And once you log into your Clickfunnels account, you will be taken to your Clickfunnels dashboard right here. So to add your WordPress domain to Clickfunnels, search for WordPress on your browser. From here, go ahead and click on the first link in the results. And as you can see, we're now in the WordPress dashboard. Here, you need to log into your account. So once you're in your account, go over to the left panel and then click on Plugins. And this is where you can see all the available plugins that you can connect to your WordPress. After that, click on the search bar and search for Clickfunnels. So type in Clickfunnels and then press Enter or click on the search icon. Now, from the results, you will need to click on the Clickfunnels option. So as you can see, it is the first option right here. Just click on it. Then, you'll be taken to this page. Now, what you need to do is go over and click on Upgrade and Activate on the right side. And as you can see, it is completely free. Note that you need a WordPress subscription in order to install plugins. So from here, click on Upgrade and Activate plugin. Then, you need to put in your checkout information. Here, just go through all the parts and put in the correct information. And once you're done, you need to click on Pay on the bottom. Then, your Clickfunnels plugin will be added to your WordPress account. So now, let's go back and head to the WordPress dashboard. And once you're here, click on Pages on the left panel and click on All Pages. After you click on All Pages, here you will get to see all the pages available on your WordPress. And if you look on the top, you can see different kinds of pages. Now, go ahead and click on Add New Page on the right side. After that, it will take a few moments to load up. And this is the section where you can add any page to your WordPress website. So, if you look over to the left, you can get to see different featured pages, or you can also choose blank page. So now from the featured pages, let's go ahead and click on Events. And as you can see, you will get a lot of templates to choose from. Now, let's head on over to Gallery. And here, you can see some more templates that you can choose from. Just scroll through and select the one that you like. And if you go over to Featured, you will get to see the best ones they have available. Now, if you go ahead and click on Store, you can customize different aspects of your store from right here. You can select all the elements and customize them according to your preferences, and even utilize the buttons right here. You can select any text from the template and edit it according to your preference. And if you look over to the right panel, you will get to see all the different options available for you to use. So as an example, I will select the typography and then select small. And as you can see, the text has been changed. Here, you can select from a lot of options, and then you can set the border for your text. After that, you can set the radius for your border. Just use the slider to change it. After that, you can click on the Attributes option and put in attributes. Then, if you scroll down further, you will get to see some additional options. Now, if you scroll up to the top and click on Background, you will get to see some colors that you can select in order to change the background of your text. This gives you the option to customize your color theme according to your website's vibe. And once you're done with that, you can select the body text of your content and then customize it as well. You can click on Align Text and align the positioning of your text. Then you have the option to bold your text. You can also set it as italic. Then you can click on this link option and link it to whatever page you want. For example, you can click on Clickfunnels. After that, you can click on this drop-down menu and select any of these options if you want to use them. So let's go ahead and select Language. Here, you can put in any language attribute and change the language of your text. Now scroll down and click on this image icon on the product category. After that, you can select the different kinds of options from here. And if you want, you can change the style to rounded. And as you can see, the image style has been changed. Here, you can see some more options to customize it, such as changing the positioning of your product category image. Then, you can align this as well. After that, if you click on this triangle icon, you can set the color theme of this image. So, from here, choose whichever color themes that you like. Then, go through the additional options according to your preference. And if you click on these duotone options from the top, you can see that the duotone colors are changing instantly. Furthermore, we have some additional options on the right panel as well. Here, you can set the aspect ratio of your image. And as you can see, you can put standard, tall, and any other options you prefer. Then, if you scroll down even further, you can select the button text and edit them to fit your website style. And once you're done with all these steps, just go ahead and click on Publish on the top right corner. And then, you need to click on Publish again to confirm. After that, just wait for a few moments and your page will be published. So once it's done, just click on View Page. Then, it will take you to your newly customized page. Now go back to your main dashboard and click on Pages from the left panel. And here, you will get to see your newly created page on the top. And your WordPress domain will be linked to your Clickfunnels as well. And that is exactly how to add your WordPress domain to Clickfunnels.